Open the foam carton and take out the microscope and accessories. The cord and plug. Hexagon wrench. 2 pieces of WF 10 times 20 mm eyepiece. Microscope head. Microscope body. Use the hexagon wrench to remove the dust cover from the body. And then 45 degrees tilt angle to put the head and tighten the screw. Remove the eyepiece dust cover and put on the eyepiece. Connect the power supply. Turn on and adjust the brightness of the light source through the knob. Butterfly side and top head rotate 360 degrees. One of eyepiece tube is diopter adjustable. Standard 4x10x 40x100x objectives. The travel range is 75*35 mm. Coarse travel 25 mm, fine travel 2 micrometers, division. The tightness can be adjusted by the locking hand wheel. AB condenser can be placed filters. And adjust the iris aperture diaphragm. Unscrew the bottom of the condenser and install the dark field ring.